Managing sales commissions manually? It's a mess. Spreadsheets, errors, and way too much back and forth. We've worked with hundreds of teams and we get it. Commission management can feel chaotic. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to take control with Sales Cookie, automate your commission workflow, and finally breathe easy. Before we dive in, let's cover a few key terms you'll see throughout the tutorial. Plan is a way to pay commissions. Transaction is any commissionable event, be it an invoice or closed won deal. Crediting is transaction attribution to a rep or a team. Rewards is typically a monetary payout, and calculation is a combination of a plan and a period. Sales Cookie doesn't just simplify commissions, it crushes complexity. It automates up to 99% of setups by breaking the process into modular plug-and-play components that work like clockwork. So with that context, now it's time to master the commission calculation workflow. Let's go. Step 1 is running calculations. Head to Calculations, Start a Calculation, pick your plan and time period, and Sales Cookie will calculate commissions for all reps in one go. Every calculation has 3 stages. Stage 1, when we run a calculation, it's only visible to admins. Stage 2 is releasing credits, meaning draft statements become visible to reps. And stage 3 is releasing rewards, which means we finalize payouts and statements get marked as complete. So it's a smart move to test a calculation manually first. When everything looks good, turn on daily automation under Settings, Automation, and this will allow your calculations to automatically rerun every day, once a day. So with that, let's move to step 2, which is reviewing calculations. So we can go see the crediting, which means what are the transactions assigned to each rep or team. You can view the credits within the UI, but my recommendation is to export the credit report from the summary or the credits tab. You can filter by rep or any field in your data. You can customize the export fields. Your browser will remember your preferences. This report gives you a detailed snapshot of all processed transactions chronologically. Once it matches your internal records 100%, you're good to go. And that report will be embedded in every calculation, whether you need it or not. You can also review the commissions in a list format. You can also review the same exact information what a rep sees on their own commission statement. So when a calculation is run within Sales Cookie, all individual rep statements are automatically generated, and you can encourage your reps to review their statements and use the inquiry tool to report problems. So you can also review all commission payouts or rewards across reps by tiers or thresholds on the rewards tab. And finally, the most important is to check the alerts tab. It'll catch any issues before your reps do, and you can export and address the alerts before you need to finalize your calculations. So talking of finalizing calculations before payroll, recommend running calculations to take the latest data and rules into account. Once you're happy, everything looks good, you can finalize the calculation, align the release period with your payroll schedule, notify the reps to get them excited about a new statement, and you're good to go. The best practice is to really review calculation results a few days before payroll to catch and fix any issues. So, for example, I notice something's off, I can rerun the calculation to reset it. And after payroll, you can consider locking a calculation to prevent an accidental change. Another thing to look out for is any duplicate or missing calculations. So in this case, I'm trying to rerun a calculation. The platform's telling me there's already an October calculation, but say I ignored it or there are multiple admins managing, the system will automatically alert you to duplicate transactions. You'll see this purple bar right at the top, and when you click on it, it's going to tell you, do we have some old unreleased calculations, duplicate calculations, overlapping calculations, or calculation gaps. So this is a really good way to check. So here the best practice would be to delete one of those duplicate calculations, and voila, the purple bar is going to go away. So with that, our next step in the process is to export payouts. You want to send everything to payroll. Boom. Just use the bulk export payout and that report will be ready to go. If you want to prefer to individually export payouts directly from within each calculation, you can do that too. The payout report's available in a couple different places, and it's payroll ready and shows commission amounts for all reps. So to recap, we covered the admin workflow for running, reviewing, and finalizing calculations with confidence. Some key tips to remember: automate your calculations, always review alerts, and rerun calculations before payroll to catch last minute changes. If you want to go deeper, we've got 120 video tutorials and 550 support articles packed with productivity tips and time-saving features. You've got this. Let's make commissions accurate, transparent, and stress-free.